Good morning, it's Jan from VelomobileWorld.com. It's finally nice spring weather. Well, it's still a bit cloudy, but it's gonna be nice. The sun is coming up there somewhere. And I have some news. So, the news is, here is my new Velomobile. It's the M9. It's very bright yellow with like a grey anthracite edge here. I hope in like a couple of days I can cycle and give you a review. This means I have this Alpha 7 in Plus, so that one will be for sale. I will put a link in the description so you can see which options I have and how much I would like to get for it. Also, still another point is we have 2 molds for the M9, so we can produce every week 2 M9s. We have a mold Alpha 9 and a mold Alpha 7, or actually we have 2 molds of Alpha 7. Right now there are not so much orders of Alpha 7, which I understand because everybody want to see the M9 tested out. But if you're still thinking I rather like an Alpha 7, if you order like it's now April still, if you ordered in May and June you will get it for the old price. And we can deliver it pretty fast. So if you order today, end of April, we can deliver in June, end of June somewhere. So that's for us pretty fast. So, but we have like 9 spots available. So let us know. Have fun.
If you came all the way here, you might like our content. You could really help us out with subscribing, put the notifications on, let a comment behind what you want to see next time.